Good morning, good morning, good morning, family. Today we are going to be making some salmon croquettes and some rice. This is what I'm going to be eating for breakfast, and my mama, she going to come down. So I'm going to show y'all how I make it. This video pretty much isn't going to be too edited out because, you know, I need to go ahead on and hurry up and get this finished before I got to go pick her up. Before I got to go and pick her up. So, hold on, y'all. Let me get the seasonings. And this is the salmon that I use. It really don't matter. But I got this one from Walmart. Got my rice over here going. You feel me? So I got some seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. I use lemon pepper. I gotta see if I still got some. I don't think I do though. Okay, Old Bay. I use lemon pepper, but I ain't got none. So I'm gonna use a little lemon juice. Ooh, I'm wasting it. Really though? Okay. Hold on, one more thing. Okay, and onion. So, like I said, hold on, y'all. This unedited. Y'all know how it is in the kitchen when you're cooking now. Girl, you did your thing with that rice. Okay. Alright, so we got our pink salmon. We have the pink salmon. And I take the little bones out of it. You don't have to. They soft anyway, so you ain't really got to. But I do. I'm going to go ahead and get my pan on the stove, get it ready. Y'all, this video all over the place, but y'all, bear with me. Bear with me. Give me some grease. Put it on my pan. Okay, now I think I'm ready. Okay, so I have one egg. I'm gonna crack it, put it in the bowl with it. I'm gonna add, forgot it was open again. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice to add to that. Okay? Y'all know how it is with seafood and lemon. That's why I do it. Garlic powder. Just sprinkle a little of that. Okay. Seasoning salt. Just a little bit. Onion powder. Just a little hint of cayenne. Just a little bit. Okay. Old Bay. Alright. Just a little tap of black pepper because we got the cayenne in there. Now we're going to take our onion. It's a small onion. So we're just going to take this onion and cut it up. I might just do half of the onion. Gotta see. But just cut this onion up and put it on up in there. Thank you. I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. And welcome back to all of my old subscribers. If you need time so you don't forget to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so now. Just pause this video and subscribe to your girl. And I'm just dicing it up, you know, just cutting some onion up in here. This is salmon croquettes. Salmon patties. However y'all may want to say it's still the same thing. I want to thank y'all for watching my videos. I want to thank y'all for all the comments. If you've been sharing, I want to thank you for that. I want to thank y'all for all the love, love, love. I'm going to put some more onion in here. Is that enough? Is it enough? Yeah, that's enough. Had to mix around. So I did that small onion and I did half of it, then I did the other half. Half of the other half. So I got that much left. Okay, so now we're going to add some flour to this. And we want them to be this flour gonna help bring it all together, bind it and everything, so that we'll have it kind of like your hamburger patties. You don't want this to be falling apart, trust me. I'm put a little bit more obey. And a little bit paprika. And a little paprika. The paprika just for the color. Okay. I'm just sprinkling a little flour at a time. This is self-rising flour. I'm just sprinkling a little at a time. You know, so I can bind this together. And it's getting thick like I want it. Just stir it all together. You can use your hands if you would like. It don't matter. It's just the smell stays on your hand for a little bit. Maybe you can wash your hands with something. I'm going to put a little bit more lemon juice. Because I kind of want the little hint of lemon juice flavor to come through, you know. So that was just 2.5 capfuls of the lemon juice. All right, y'all. Now my grease looking like it's getting pretty ready over here. And so I'm gonna bring y'all over here so y'all can see what I'm gonna do. Hold on now. Be sliding closer. Turn this down on medium because I don't want them to cook too fast, y'all. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I need to. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a spoonful of this. Depends on how big you want your patties. I don't want mine to be too big. Take a spoonful of it and pat them just like that. And just drop them in the grease and let them fry. And fry them like you would fry a piece of fish. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna get y'all an angle so you can see. Pat them together like that. You see, you got your onions and all in there. I could get about 5 in here because I want one in the center. Okay, let me wash my hands and I'm gonna come and show y'all. Y'all, I had to start the camera over, so start the video, stop the video so that we can get this right here. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn this down. I'm doing this by myself. I ain't got no tripod, so y'all just bear with me. You know it ain't gonna be perfect. So you see how it's golden around the edges? You know that it's golden on the other side. So we're gonna take those and flip them over. And you want this cooked, you want it cooked where it's frying them good, but you don't want your heat. Let me show y'all what mine's at. See that? Like a line before medium. Because you want them to fry nicely. You don't want them to cook too fast. You want them nice and golden brown. But you want to allow them to cook a little slowly so the inside of them can cook as well. You feel me? You don't want the inside to be half done, okay? So we're just gonna flip these over. And you see, they perfect, nice and fluffy and golden. You see them little onions peeking through them. Y'all, these gonna be thebomb.com. So we're just gonna let that side fry. And y'all, I'm gonna have to stop it again. So I guess I will have to edit this video a little bit. Y'all don't mind my trash right there now. I leave my trash can right there. So we're just gonna let this fry. I hope y'all enjoy these videos, the cooking videos and all. I enjoy doing them for you guys. Yes, yes, yes. I love cooking, y'all. It's just one of my passions. I'm going to keep it on her so y'all can see what they look like. This grease popping. Okay, y'all. Let's take a peek. They're golden on that side too. We're going to let them go just for a little bit longer because I want to make sure that the center get done. Y'all see that? It's so nice and pretty and look delicious. That was just a little fork test. Just a little fork test. Test the doneness of them. And a little hole help to get a little grease up in there to fry them, honey. So you want that inside to be done. You don't want no mushy inside. Okay? They getting there. They're almost finished. Just let them fry for a few more minutes. Well, not a few more minutes, probably about another minute. And then I'm going to take them out. Come that way so y'all can see them. They look good, don't they, y'all? Oh, child. Go ahead, T. Go ahead, T. Go ahead, T. Go. Go ahead, T. Go ahead, T. Go. I might don't even need this, but I'm just gonna go ahead on. Okay, so they ready now. You know, I don't want to burn my onions up. And get these up out the pan. And get some more ready. Okay, y'all. I'm finna start the camera. Then I'll be right back when I get the other ones in the pan, okay? Okay, y'all. I got the other salmon croquettes in the pan frying. And so I'm just gonna finish those up. And I'm gonna show y'all. Sorry, y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all what the other ones look like. And these are the salmon croquettes with rice. I'm not gonna eat all those. I just did it for the presentation, so y'all can see what it all looks like together. It looks nice and delicious. And I hope you guys try it, and I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Until next time, this is your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Y'all be blessed. Y'all have a blessed day. And y'all please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.